Welcome to WelcomeSaudi.com. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to leave a review for any restaurant, hotel, or tourist destination using your smartphone, inshallah. So for this example, we're going to choose a restaurant. So from the homepage, select Restaurants from the main search bar. And for this example, I will choose the Welcome Saudi demo restaurant. Here it is. Click on the main restaurant image. Here you can see the average review rating and the total number of reviews. To leave a review, you simply scroll down to the bottom of the page to the review section and then click Write a Review. At this point, if you're not signed in, you will get a pop-up asking you to sign up or log in. If you haven't signed up, we have another tutorial on how to sign up for a free account. Here you can rate the food, customer service, money, comfort, and cleanliness. You can enter your review title here. The restaurant was great. And you can type in your review's comments here. For example, the food was great and I loved the sushi, but the customer service could have been a little bit faster. You can even choose an image or video to upload with your review. I will leave this for now. And then click I'm not a robot and click Leave a Review. So it's as simple as that. Review added successfully. Click OK, and you can now check if the review has been published. Here we go. The most recent review is from us. And you can rate reviews as helpful or unhelpful on all the reviews here. If you go back towards the top of the page, you will now see that the total number of reviews has been updated. You can also see the reviews that you've left in your own profile dashboard. So click in My Profile here, then click My Reviews, and this review will show in your own account. Any reviews that you leave on hotels, restaurants, and tourist destinations on WelcomeSaudi.com will also be visible in your own account in your dashboard. We hope that was helpful for you. Have a great day, and thank you very much.